One of the factors I see people mess up the most when I look at beginner and inexperienced floor plans is stairs. How many treads do you need to draw? How wide? Where do you put them? A bunch of stuff goes into that. Let's dive into it. And here we are, party people. Let's look at some staircases. So typically what I show a lot. Let me erase this at first. So what I show a lot. 3'6". I love 3'6" in width. I feel like it's a great width. Not too small. It's not going to feel tight, but you're not wasting floor area. If you have more room in your floor plan, you want to go bigger than that, awesome. Do that. We'll talk about that in a second, but this is personally, I wouldn't go below this unless it's a very small plan. Typically, I am showing 16 treads to get to that second floor. So that is a 9-foot ceiling with a conventional floor joist. So either a 2x10, 2x12, or something like 11 7/8 TJI. If you are switching either the ceiling height on your main floor or you're doing something like a floor truss, you might need to adjust the treads and factor for 17, 18 even. But typically, a lot of the times, I'm still showing 16. Okay, another big thing to consider, a lot of times these stairs will be on an outside wall. So I've seen a ton of plans where this wall is the exterior wall going down to the basement. So as you go to the basement, you're going to lose a lot of area, right? You have 8 inches for that foundation wall and another furring wall. So let's draw that. 8 inches for the foundation wall, another furring wall coming in. So now, effectively, our basement landing is 3'6". Still a good width. This is another area that could be great to add some depth to, though, if you can. As you're going upstairs, you might even have room for a bench seat or a window seat here. So could be fun. A lot of times I'm showing 10.5 inches tread depth. I feel like this is a great depth because it gives us, it's slightly bigger than what's minimum for code. So if we need to squeeze or scrunch something on site, we can. Gives us a little bit of wiggle room. Okay, if you want to do something a little bit more elegant, these are 4'6" in width. I feel like stairs are one of the best areas in your home to maybe even go too wide on. It's a space you're using every single day. You're carrying usually heavy stuff, whether that's laundry baskets, backpacks, furniture. A lot of the stuff is, it's your life. You got a lot of stuff. So really great area to use a little bit of extra width if you have some room in the floor plan. One last thing I'll say about stairs is, on beginner plans, I often see them shoved in a corner of a house. That's actually a really bad idea. There's plans I've seen that work in that realm, but often I find that stairs shoved in a corner is a bad idea for 2 reasons. One, the stair components are usually all load bearing. So the more centrally located you can get those stairs, it actually really helps with load bearing points and being able to carry beams and bearing walls through the home as they tie into this staircase. But 2, maybe most importantly, the centrally located stair allows for you to use less space in hallways for all of your floor plans. The more you shove those to one corner of the house or one edge of the house, the more space you're spending in hallways to get around your plan. It's just geometry. So I would say try and get them as close to the middle as possible, unless you have a really good reason not to. Awesome. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on staircases, put them in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It helps me out. And if you have any other rooms or areas of the house you want to see, hit me up. I would love to do more of these. I'm having fun with them. So hope you are watching them. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Bye.